All right, the RMR is back together. I have not tightened them yet. They're just finger tight, but it's spinning nice and free. I'm going to tighten them a little bit and see if we still have that result. All right, so I've got it tightened up a bit and it's still spinning nice and free, which is really good. Especially considering the last one, the little baby Fastgo, was a bit of a problem. We don't have any up and down play at all that I can find, and very little in and out because we have all the bushings, not the bushings, but rather the thrust washers that belong in there. So now the next thing is to put this back in the case. And I guess just because we'll do it, I'm going to reuse those shitty little sheet metal fasteners. Why not? Keep it all original. All right. Took a little doing, but I was able to reuse the grommet. I put a little oil on there to get it to fall in. It needed to be pressed, and ended up hitting it a little bit with tapping a little with the hammer. It was not easy to get back in there. And I simply wire nutted this together, and that should have enough room to be out of the way of the blades. We're going to find out. If not, we'll do something different. But for now, that's going to have to work. We'll see. If they hit, they hit. If they don't, they don't. All right, we've got her lined up here. Everything's back the way it was. Cleaned up a little bit. We still got rust on the top, but at least it's a little cleaner up there. Like I said, I just wire tied that in there, and let's see how it runs. Oh, thermostat. There we go. The handle. There's a little bit of a rattling. I'm not sure what's doing that. Sounds like it's actually up here. It's low, high, off. Well, it's spinning nice and free. I'm going to dust the blades off. We'll put them on. We'll see how it runs, if it makes a rattling sound. This is kind of loose. It could just be the... Let me turn it back. Yeah. Well, we'll find out. We will find out. All right, well, it's spinning pretty darn free. And it is not hitting the wire nuts that we have back here. It's pretty close, so maybe at some point we should like kind of tape those back or something. But for now, fuck it, let's run this thing. All right, here she is, blades on, ready to rock, and the first speed is high. That's off. Here's low. And that's much better, and way better than it ran before on low. It doesn't get as much rattle. It's kind of a thin box, and it really wants to blow itself over. This table isn't exactly flat, and the bottom of the fan isn't exactly flat. So yeah, there it is, spinning down. A bit of a rattle. Somewhere up here, maybe all the stuff with the switch. So that's a little surprising. You know, it didn't really run well. We've had it apart. It's unsettled. So we might, you know, who knows what will happen with this one. I'm going to wait to put the grills on because I've got to decide what to do with the wire nuts down there because they are sticking out. That's pretty close to the blades for what you would consider safe. So that'll be something to think about, but it sure spins a lot better, wouldn't you say? So that's pretty nice. So there's your Breezemaker. Lasko runs pretty nice. And the thermostat does, in fact, work. Turns him right off. Just gotta hold on to it so it doesn't blow itself over. So anyway, there it is. Nice to see it free up and run a little better. We'll work on, I gotta do something with those wire nuts. They're a little too close there. And otherwise that's it, so thanks for watching. It's kind of a cool fan. Hopefully it doesn't rattle too much. I'm not sure if it's the switch or if it's the stuff underneath the switch. But anyway, so we're a little closer to getting this one together, but I want to deal with the wire nuts before I put the grills on, because the grills are kind of a pain in the butt to get on and off. Well, maybe now that they've been off, they won't be such a problem. But yeah, I should come up with a plan for this. If I had done the wire nutting higher up, it would have been easier. I really wanted to keep it close to the base. Well, we'll see. We might have to come up with a plan for that. Not that upset about it. It is what it is. So anyway, there you go. She's running okay. And that's low. Shouldn't blow itself over. Not low anyway. Shakes a little bit, you know. It's an old fan. So anyway, there it is. I love the way these blades look. Pretty cool. So thanks for watching the videos. More to come. I'm going to get this back on the stand and get it in storage. But that's the deal with this guy. So pretty cool looking fan. Couldn't pass it up. Next, at some point maybe we'll rewire it all the way up to the switch, which might put us in a position to figure out what that rattle is now that it's rattling. We'll see what happens. So there you go. Yeah, we'll see what we do. All right. All right, here it is with its grills on. Breezemaker, baby. We'll run it to high. We still got to watch out for it falling over. One side of the grill really wants to come out, so I have a feeling this is going to rattle. Let's see what it does. It's a little heavier with the grills in it. Oh, that's off. Low. So there we go. Low's pretty nice right there. So yeah, cleaned up all right. We didn't do a full deal on it, but I think for now, we'll get it back on the stand, call it a good day. So this one, I love the spin down. I remember this from Grandpa's Galaxy, how it would just go and go, So it's nice to see that it cleaned out okay, the bearings and everything with some fresh oil on it. So yeah, it's a cool fan. I like these. It's not, I really thought this was much older, but obviously this switch matches the other one, so I'm going to go by the sticker date, 1968-ish, which means the other one is probably a little later, 69, 1970, right before they went to plastic grills. So maybe we'll do that one next. We're not as this wasn't so bad, so maybe the other one won't be so bad either. We got lucky pulling the blades off, so I still might need a two-blade puller, two-jaw puller, for other four-bladed fans. This one, the Emerson stand fan we found last summer, that's a four-blade fan, so that would also need a two-blade, two-jaw puller. So anyway, thanks for sticking with this. Probably a long video. Apologize for how long it was, but I kind of wanted to get this done today. I've been thinking about it all week. So nice to see it run. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.